Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand the question find lucky integer in an array. So this is the today daily contest problem, right? And we have given this question, right? So the question is saying that we have given an array and we have to find the luckiest number. If it is not there, return -1. So what is the luckiest number? Means the integer luckiest is called if the frequency of array value is equal to its value, right? The frequency of its array value is equal to array is equal to the value. Okay, let's understand how. So we have given, let's have first example we are understanding. Okay, so let's understand example first. So we have 2, then we have 2, then we have 3 and 4. So these are the element we have given in the array. Okay, so we have given this called as an array, right? So what are the unique elements are there? 2, 3 and 4. These are the unique elements. 2 is coming how many times? 2 times. 3 is coming how many times? 1 times. 1 is coming how many times? 1 time, right? So here if you observe, these 2 and 2 are equal, means 2 appears 2 times. That is why it's lucky, because an integer that has a frequency in the array equal to its value, means the array value is 2 and its frequency is also 2. So if we'll call it a frequency, right, and we'll store each frequency in an array or somewhere, right, or hash map, right, we can say, and we can check the elements value is equal to the frequency value, or the frequency value is equal to its value, right? It means that is a lucky number. Let's return it, right? And that is why we are seeing 2 is coming as a lucky value. Okay, so let's understand how. If it is not, we'll return -1. So let's understand how to write the code for this, right? So what we have given array. So very first what we need to do, we should find the number of elements what we have given. So we'll write array dot length, right, and we'll have our number of elements here in the n, right? Now we'll do sorting. Why we'll do the sorting, right? Because we have to sort the array. So we can compare its consecutive element is there or not, right? It's is a duplicate or not, right? Means we sort, we can say sort to group, and we say group the same element, right? And we say that same elements, we will group it. Now let's suppose we have the lucky. What is the luckiest number? Max lucky is called luckiest number, right? Let's call it max. We don't have to find only lucky, we have to find the luckiest number also, right? We have lucky is equal to -1. Okay, so we can find the luckiest number. Let's understand how. First of all, what we should do, we should go with array I is equal to 0 and I should be less than n, correct, and I plus plus. Can we say that? We can say that, right? So when we want to increase the I, just think when we want to increase the I. Okay, now let's call int current is equal to array at I. We'll get the array element. Then we have count, okay, is 0. Then we will count how many times array at I appears in the array, right? So we can write it. Okay, so what we can do, so I will take here each count, don't do anything here. We'll increase I when we'll count there, right? Let's count, say count how many times, how many times array at I, means the element of array, appears. How we are going to check? Just think. Why I have removed I plus plus? I'll show you. Let's say we'll call it I is less than n, and we say that, and array at I is equal to current. We can get the current value and we'll check the current value count, right? if it is equal to increase the count plus plus. So we have to count the number of time it's appear in the array, and then each time will increase the plus plus. Understand? Means if it is what, if it is appearing, right, we'll find equal to, and we'll increase plus plus. Okay, now think, once you have the count, what you will do here, you will check if it's a lucky number. If it's a lucky number, if it is lucky number, we'll just take if count is equal to the current element. If it is equal to, just do what, update your max lucky. Max lucky is math dot max, because we don't know which will come. That multiple duplicate can be possible, right? That is why we'll take lucky, max lucky, and the current value. Both are same, so either you can take count and this, any of is fine. Okay, either the count you will use or current, both is fine. Now at the end, what we should do, at the end will come from here, at the here return max lucky. If max lucky we have not found, we'll return max lucky. By default value is we have given -1. Let's check we have given or not. We have given already. Okay, I'll explain, but let me check. So I we have used, cannot find the symbol, int I. Okay, let me write int I. Yeah, so the code working, right? Okay, so what we have done here, let's understand. So let's understand, we have given this array is nothing but we have 2 2 3 4, the very first example I am taking. Okay, so we can take 2 2 3 4 that was given, right? And from this array we'll find the n. Okay, very first we'll find n. How many n is there? N is 4 element is there, right? We can say 4. So we'll sort the array. Let's suppose if it is not sorted, then we will sort it. So it's fine. Now the sorted is coming like this, so it will also come same. Okay, because it's already sorted. If it is not sorted, it will get sorted. Let's suppose 2 is coming, after 2 it is 3 before we have 4, right? Like that we'll get sorted like this. Okay, now we'll take max lucky -1. If lucky is not there, so we can return -1. Understand? Now what are the indices are there for this array? We have 0 1 2 and 3. So when I is at 0, means we are talking about this one. So I will start from 0 to 3. Can we say that? We can say that. So let's find the current. Because I we are traversing here 0 to n, it will go to 0 to n, that is 4, right? 4 times. So when I is 0, what we need to do? We have to find the current, right? See here, and current is at where? Current at I. Current at I is what? 2. So we'll say current at I is nothing but 2, right? And so we have our current is 2. Then we'll going for the loop here, correct? We'll check array at I is equal to current, right? Means 2 appears how many times? 2 times, as we know here, right? So if we'll get increased, right, we'll say. So we'll find, yeah, current we have taken what? This one, and current array at I is current, right? And next when the I is equal to this one, then we'll say, oh, it is coming 2 times, right? So the current element, current at I is 2, appears 2 times, right? So we can say this is our lucky number, and max lucky will update what? 2 here. Then we'll move to next. Let's call it I equal to 2, sorry, this time 2, because we have already checked these two, right? Because we have done plus plus, so each time it will get increase and it will check here, right? The very first element it will check, yes, this is 2. Is this current element is also because we have a while loop, so until we will find the duplicate, it keep moving. Let's suppose all are true, so itself this loop will keep continuing the here till here, and we'll get the count 4. This time count is 2, right? So we have got the count, right? Because 2 times it's coming, so we have updated directly here, right? Now we'll check if count is equal to current, we'll find the max lucky. So we have updated max lucky is this, right? Next we will move to 3 and 4, right? So 3 will, when 3 will go, let's suppose when I is what at 2, means current is where, current, what is current is 3, what is the count is 1, right? So what we will do, we'll say no lucky, will not update anything here, we will not update anything. Okay, similar we'll go for this I equal to 3, and we'll check 4, right? Current is 4, count is what, this is also 1, right? Will not do anything because this is also not lucky, will not update the max lucky, right? And that is why we are doing here. I hope you understand, right? If you have any doubt in this video, please ping me in the comment box. I hope this is very easy problem and you will enjoy by watching this video. Okay, I will request you to give some time to find the time complexity and space complexity, and please put me the comment in the comment section and explain the time complexity, space complexity, why you are taking this one. Okay, so this habit will make you understand the code and you can find the complexity. Okay, and if this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and keep supporting Expert Funda. Bye.